What's up, y'all? I'm Kanin Cuisine, your confidence building cooking guide. If you ever thought to yourself, I'm about to mess this up, you in the right place. And you know what? You gonna be scared, but you gonna do it. You hear me? Yeah, man. We about to cook some smoked adobo chicken wings. Get ready. This is gonna be a very good recipe for you, very simple. Ain't too much going on. We cut up everything chunky. You ain't gotta worry about being pretty with all your vegetable chopping. Everything just gonna be chunky. We're gonna throw it all together and make something happen. So first thing we got 2 1/4 cups of Silver Swan. If you can see that, Silver Swan soy sauce. This is Filipino soy sauce. Then we got 3 cups of this Datu Puti vinegar right here. It's cane vinegar, another Filipino ingredient. Then we got 45 of these garlic cloves right here, cut in half. Like I said, everything gonna be chunky, cause we ain't trying to be too pretty with it. We just trying to extract the flavor out of it. We got about 6 inches of ginger right here, chopped up chunky. And we got 2 big old jalapenos chopped up chunky. Then we got 6 tablespoons of brown sugar. Then we got also 6 tablespoons of black peppercorns. Then we got 60 party wing right here. This 60 party wing. That's all you need for a little family to be munching at the house. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna combine all these ingredients together in the pot. And we're gonna bring them up to a little boil, let them simmer a little bit, let all the flavors get to know each other. Then we're gonna cool it down and throw all the wings in there and let it marinate for 8 hours to pretty much overnight. And then we're gonna throw everything on that grill and let it smoke till it's done. That's it. Real simple. Ain't too much going on. You're gonna be cool. Don't be scared, man. Just do what I said do. All right, let's get to it. Real simple. That's all we doing. Cut your little stove on, whatever you got. Cause all we wanna do is bring this to a boil and let all these flavors get together. So we're gonna take our 3 cups of this Datu Puti vinegar here. And then we're gonna take this Silver Swan soy sauce. It's the only liquids you're gonna be using. And then we're gonna take, I forgot to tell y'all earlier about these bay leaves. We got 9 bay leaves in here. And we got those 6 inches of roughly chopped ginger. We'll put that in there. And we got these 45 garlic cloves. I know you're saying, man, that's a lot of garlic. But you know, you ain't gonna notice it like that. We just making a real strong marinade. That's what we trying to do. Then you got these 2 big jalapenos, just 2 of them roughly chopped. Then we got 6 tablespoons of black peppercorn. Then we got 6 tablespoons of this brown sugar. We're gonna put that in there. And then we're gonna take our little whisk and let everybody get together real good. Make friends and all that. Talk about what they be doing in the hood, all that right there. You know what I'm saying? Sharing trade secrets, whatever they doing. Once we bring this up to a good old boil, then we're gonna let it simmer for a little bit. We ain't just trying to cook it. We just wanna reduce it a little and open up everything. And once we do that, we can go on, let it cool down, and then we're gonna put the chicken in the marinade, but we are not gonna use all the marinade for the chicken. We're gonna take about a cup or so out because we want to glaze the chicken towards the end to make sure that it's got that flavor that we want, that nice little glaze. So we're gonna take about a cup of this out, just reserve it to the side so that we can have some good old glaze to put on the chicken. So I'll show y'all what this look like when I get through cooking it down to where I think it should be for y'all. Hopefully you can recognize it when you do this at home yourself. I want your marinade to look just like this. All you try and do is soften the vegetables and get them to be a little dark. And once they turn a little dark like this, you know that they're soft. And once you get through simmering your marinade, you want to cool it down, however you do that. And once they're at least room temperature, you want to add your chicken wings inside of these bags. And you're going to put them in a cooler or put them in your refrigerator overnight for at least 8 hours. Once you're done marinating, you're going to get your grill going and put all of your chicken wings on the grill. Remember, you don't have to do any extra seasoning. You just can throw them all on here in a pile, or you can be neat like me, but just throw the wings on the grill. Your first Applewood stick, just gonna put it on there. Don't put it on the charcoal, just set it under and let it naturally catch fire. You don't need that much smoke, so just let that one stick catch fire and just slowly release its smoke over the wings, and it'll be good. You don't need a tremendous amount of smoke. It's very little smoke is all you need. And then you're gonna take your second wood stick. You only should need about 2 if they're the size that you see on this video. And once again, don't put them on the charcoal, just set it under there and let it catch fire on its own. And once the wings get to about 160 degrees, then you'll be ready to glaze your wings. They're not done at 160 at all. They're not even done at 165 like the cookbooks tell you. For chicken wings, you want your wings to be at a higher temperature. So you're gonna glaze them at that 160 degree mark and make sure they're wet and use all of the marinade. And once you use all of the marinade and your chicken wings reach a temperature of 175 to 180, they're done, and you'll have the come loose that you want. That pull apart is just so easy. That come loose, that's what you want. Yeah, man, you know what time it is? It's taste time. Yeah, man. About good old 3 hour smoke on here. Real good color. I know the flavor gonna be good. We're gonna taste right now. I'm gonna make sure this is so delicious for you. So I got that good old come loose I was talking about. You ain't gotta struggle with it. Be just coming loose. Woo! That ain't the flavor, that's just me eating too fast. But it's got good come loose on it. Real tender. Delicious. Very mild. It's not a strong, punchy flavor. It's not gonna run nobody away. Everybody gonna like it. You put whatever dressing you want to put on here, it's gonna be good, it's gonna work out. It's a good, simple flavor. You ain't gotta add no salt, because it's been soaking in soy sauce. Soy sauce took care of all this salt. You can just soak it in the marinade and dump all that chicken wing in a pile on the smoker. Just let it do what it do. You ain't gotta be sitting there shaking no seed and all on it and doing all the other stuff. Just throw them wings on there. In 3 hours, you eating. So good. But I thank y'all for checking me out and messing with your boy, because my purpose is to help picky eaters eat more, and for home cooks that's scared to try something a little different. They just need a perspective from somebody that they trust, somebody they feel like they can relate to. That's me. I got you, man. We're gonna have this food journey. We're gonna take it on together. It's gonna be some stuff I'm gonna try on the channel that I ain't never tried before. We're gonna learn about it together, because I come from eating only about 10 things, but I have grown to eat so much, and seeing how and why somebody cooks things a certain way helped me grow to eat more stuff. And I want that for you. If you picky or you a home cook and want to be a little more adventurous, but you just a little scared. But I thank you so much, and I get to have a cooking show right now. Yeah, man. Thank you so much. You heard me.